Look at this $100 PayPal payment. Another $100 PayPal payment. $150 PayPal payment. And another $150 PayPal payment. You can make $500 per day just by watching YouTube videos. In today's video, we will walk through the whole process and show you the secret of how you can make $500 or even more as soon as today, just by watching YouTube videos. This simple and easy trick will stack some cash real quick, no matter where you're from. So without any further delay, let's get right to it. In the YouTube world, you find billions of videos made up of different stories. Content like movie clips, funny videos, educational videos, finance tips, food and travel vlogs, music videos, video games, and many more are uploaded daily. If you have been watching YouTube for a long time, you may have noticed that the most watched videos are gaming videos. Like, people watch crazy gaming videos on a daily basis, and these videos get millions of views just within the first 24 hours. But how do these videos help you to get paid $500 or more? Now, watch the video closely, as we are going to show you how you can make money by using these gaming videos. You don't need a computer, don't need a credit card, don't need to edit anything, or have a website. You can do this from anywhere in the world. Let's head out to Google and search for the most popular gaming videos. You will find that the top 3 gaming videos are Minecraft, GTA 5, and Fortnite. So now we know that these video games have the largest fan base and attract a lot of views on YouTube. And as you know, YouTube is the second most viewed website, and a huge number of fans watch Fortnite and Minecraft videos on YouTube daily. Let's take a look at Minecraft. It has an incredible community. It was sold to Microsoft for $2.5 billion. It has access to Microsoft's features and receives features never before seen. Because it is such a popular game, it has one of the most passionate fan followings of all time. Let's see how this works. So, introducing the Google Keyword Planner. This is a free tool to find out how many times people type things into Google and YouTube. Now, this is going to be important for the next steps. Let's see. We'll enter Minecraft and see how many times people search for it in a month. According to the Google Keyword Planner, Minecraft has been searched 3.35 billion times in a month. Look at how amazing this is. This is a massive search volume. You can use this tool for other categories as well. For example, if you want to make money from videos other than gaming channels, simply put the search term into Google and it will tell you how many times it has been searched. So now, how exactly do we get paid from watching these videos? Let's face it, the biggest challenges of making money online is building a website. A lot of us don't have the money to actually do this kind of stuff. But a lot of us do understand that investment made on ourselves to learn new skill sets can actually help in creating sources of passive income. Today, we are talking about investing in this tool called a URL shortener. What a URL shortener does, basically, is that it shortens any link you paste into it, similar to Bitly. But one very important difference of these paid URL shorteners is that when a user clicks on the shortened link, instead of going directly to the destination, they go to what's called a bridge page. A bridge page shows them a quick ad before going to their final destination. So when people click on the links that you generate, watch those ads, and then go to their final destination, you get paid every time that person actually clicks on your link. Here are some URL shorteners that can pay you well. The greatest part about exe.io is that it rewards you for every link you generate on the spot. The program is entirely free to use and allows you to generate short URLs. You don't have to pay anything to use this tool. You can even make money from it. Secondly, shorte.st. You can earn a lot of money through this site every month. They pay a high CPM of $13 per 1,000 impressions, which is very generous for beginners. Next up, AdFly is an old, trustworthy, and well-established URL shortener site that generates a lot of money. You can earn up to $13 for every 1,000 views, which is a pretty profitable deal. To ensure secure advertising, in-house malware servers and antivirus software operate around the clock. Moreover, by using AdFly, you can earn a 20% referral commission. The next one, shrinkme.io, is also a well-known and high-paying URL shortener network that you can use to make money. Making money with ShrinkMe is a simple procedure. Simply sign up, shorten the URL, share it, and make money. Doesn't it sound good? The platform pays $220 for every 10,000 views. Surprisingly, they would let you earn 20% of the referral commission, which is really a very tempting offer. And they have a built-in analytics tool to examine your users, impressions, and statistics information. Next up, ShrinkEarn is a reliable network that pays on time. It pays $20 per 1,000 visits and operates on the revenue per meal model. It is compatible with both desktop and smartphone devices so that you can use it on any device without a problem. These are the top 5 URL shorteners that you can use to shorten the URL of a website and earn money easily. There are still a lot of URL shorteners out there. This is just to name a few. So let's take a look at how we can start making money with these YouTube videos. As previously demonstrated, Minecraft receives the highest YouTube searches. Now it's time to use these videos to make you some money. Let's hop onto YouTube and search Minecraft. You can see that there are thousands of videos and most of them have millions of views in a day. Now the trick is, you have to find the most viral video that has looted millions plus views in less than a day. Copy its link and head to one of the URL shorteners. Paste the link into your box and it will generate a shortened URL for you. We are leveraging on already popular videos. People are already interested in watching these videos. So while people are enjoying watching these videos, we can also earn some money from it through sharing these videos with people who would want to watch them. So how are we actually going to get people to click on our links? Don't worry, we've got your back. These video games have strong forums where people post updates and information about the game on a daily basis. For example, MinecraftForum.net is the biggest forum for Minecraft. Thousands of people post updates and interesting stories about the game every day. There are other forums that host millions of views on a daily basis. One of them is the PC Gamer forums. Here they categorize each game. Now, what you have to do is simply paste the link in the comments of these forums and say something like, "Hey fam, I found this really interesting video." Share the link, and when somebody clicks on the link to watch their favorite game videos, you will receive your share commission. It is the simplest way of generating passive income and making money online from any part of the world. You don't need to make a video, no need to buy a whole studio, no need for a PC, no credit card, nothing at all. Now, after you've earned some money from this, you can then use your passive income to invest in yourself and gain valuable skills for high-paying jobs such as social media marketing, SEO optimization, and UI/UX design, and earn even more. It is important to invest in ourselves. The whole process to make your first pot of gold from this is really simple. First, find an interesting topic using Google Keyword Planner. Then, find videos related to the topic. Copy and paste the links into the URL shortener. And lastly, copy the shortened URL and paste it to the related forums to get maximum clicks. And start making money as soon as today. If you liked the video, then give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think. See you guys in the next one.